Olusegun Obasanjo. He was right here to make sure that we never try to do the wrong thing. Thank you very much, Mzee. And you have supervised us all the way. I tried to persuade him that we can do the rest alone, and he said no, just in case you make the wrong step last minute. So that's why he is here. Let me also recognize my brothers ministers who are here. All the ministers, thank you, and heads of delegation. I really want to appreciate our first ladies. They're right here. My good brother, the Deputy Prime Minister from Somalia, thank you very much for coming. And all the dignitaries, forgive me if I didn't mention your name directly. It in no way say your contribution was any less. We appreciate everybody who has been here. Thank you very much, Nairobi, for welcoming all our guests. Thank you very much, the people of Kenya, for welcoming all our guests. My very best wishes as we march on with the Nairobi Declaration into the next destination. Asanteni sana, God bless you, and God bless our great continent. Thank you very much.